Well, we made it about 10 minutes. Car started blowing loads of smoke. I had this issue in the past, and it was my oil drain line was kinked. I've got a socket set, no way to jack up the car, so I think I'm going to run to Harbor Freight. Hopefully the car makes it 18 minutes, and we'll go from there. Quick update on the way to Harbor Freight. Get a jack, maybe a jack stand. I might trust the Harbor Freight jack stand. Got 11 minutes, and I'll say I've been driving the car pretty easy, staying out of boost, and smoke is a lot less than it was. You get kind of like mad clouds on
In 2 miles, take exit 35B onto Maryland 260.
Pretty much everything.
Toward York.
Yeah, it's just the joys of owning an old Japanese car. So, ran perfectly fine before I put it on a boat. A month and a half later. But I guess these cars just really don't like to sit. Yeah. Alright, short haul at Harbor Freight. Let's see what we can do. Alright. Let's see. Definitely oily. Definitely something to do right there. Seeping out. I would say that's the problem right there. That kink. I'm gonna head over to Advanced Auto Parts right now. Hopefully they have the new hose. I just need to find some sort of 45 or 90 degree bend so the hose doesn't kink. So we shall see. $19. I would say that's pretty restrictive in there. Say that is absolutely loads better. Hope that sorts our blowing smoke out the exhaust, but let's see. Alright. So far so good. I just got to unseize the parking brake. It seems to be dragging a little bit. Probably when they ship the car. The actuator rod, I'll show what it is on the actual caliper, kind of gets stuck on one side so it doesn't completely release. So the first stop I made, I kind of smelled some hot brakes. So we'll get the front end of the car down and check out this side. This arm right here, when you pull it really hard, for some reason it's got a, it binds up right there. I think that's a wrap. No parking brake usage till we get back. I'm hoping to make it farther than 15 minutes this time.